Welcome back. We are going to do example 2 using the equations of motion. So as you've seen in that question, they are telling us that a body moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second. So it means that is the velocity it is having at that instant. At the instant before they start to determine the time, it will attain another velocity. At this very instant, it means it is moving with a velocity of, so this is our initial velocity, the velocity it is starting with at this very instant. Then they say it accelerates, means it changes its velocity. But then to what velocity? To another velocity, 30 meters per second. But just like you know that time keeps changing, time at any instant keeps on counting, so there has to be a time interval at which this takes place, and that time interval we call it 5 seconds. So we are done getting information from the question. What next now is to look at our questions. So the first question, they're asking us to find the acceleration of the body. So I'm going to look at the information I have. I look at the equations of motion. V is u plus 80, S is u plus a half 80 squared. So I'm going to look at the information I have and also the equations of motion I'm having here, and then I have to choose what is the right equation to use in order to find what they are asking me. So they are asking me for the acceleration. First of all, see where is acceleration in each of the equations. So I can see that acceleration is here. I can see that acceleration is here, it is also here, meaning I can use any of the 3 equations. But what do I have? I have a u, a v, and a t. So I have a u, a v, and a t. So it means this is a best equation to use because it has what I'm looking for and the other 3 pieces of information I have here. Let's look at the second equation. The second equation has S, and of which I don't have S here. So S is unknown. I can't use the second equation. S is not known and acceleration is not known. So this equation has 2 unknowns. You cannot solve an equation when you have 2 unknowns in that very equation. You only solve an equation when you have 1 unknown. When it is 1 equation, it has to have 1 unknown. When there are 2 equations, that's when they can have 2 unknowns, and in that case you will solve them simultaneously. But that is a different situation now. So we are choosing the first equation. V is u plus 80. The v is 30 is equal to the 20, which is the initial, plus a times 5. The 30 minus 20 is equal to 5a. So 5a is equal to 10. So the acceleration is equal to 10 over 5, which is 2. The units, don't forget the units. That is our acceleration.